In this video, we'll cover the abandoned plugin and theme detection feature of MainWP Dashboard. This feature is useful for finding and reviewing plugins and themes that may need closer maintenance attention. Let's start in MainWP General Settings. Here, you can set the abandoned plugins and themes tolerance in number of days. MainWP will mark an item as possibly abandoned when WordPress.org reports that its last update was at least this many days ago. The default is 365 days, but you can choose the interval that works for you. For this walkthrough, I'll set it to 10 days and save the settings. Next, open Advanced Settings. Here, you can choose whether MainWP includes abandoned plugin and theme information in its regular site syncs. Both options are enabled by default, so make sure they remain enabled if you want this information to sync automatically. Since we changed the tolerance, let's sync our sites before running a manual check. The new tolerance gets applied to your sites during sync. Now open Sites, then Plugins, then Abandoned Plugins, and click Check for Abandoned Plugins. MainWP now asks each connected site to check its installed plugins against the tolerance we set. The table lists the sites with results, and each site can be expanded. Here, you can see the plugins MainWP has flagged as possibly abandoned on that site, their installed versions, and how long it has been since WordPress.org reported each plugin's last update. The feature covers both active and inactive installed plugins, but it depends on usable information from WordPress.org. This means many premium or custom plugins can't be evaluated by this feature. And possibly abandoned is a reason to review a plugin, not proof that it is unsafe or no longer maintained. If you know a plugin is still maintained, or you simply don't want to track it here, you can ignore it for this site. The table is currently grouped per site, but it can also be grouped per tag or per item. Let's switch to the per item view. In this view, the Ignore Globally option lets you ignore a plugin across all sites. You can review everything you've ignored by opening Sites, then Plugins, then Ignored Abandoned. This page separates globally ignored plugins from plugins ignored on individual sites, and you can unignore either whenever you need to. Everything we've covered works exactly the same way for themes. You have matching abandoned themes and ignored abandoned pages, with the same checking, grouping, last update, and ignore options. Use this feature to identify plugins and themes that deserve a closer look and make more informed maintenance decisions. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more updates from MainWP.